Welcome back to this course, Introduction to Cybersecurity. This is a presentation of Coding Boot Camps. Our lesson here is Introduction to Hacking, how black hat hacking is different from white hat hacking. Our topics are general perspective toward hacking and ethical hacking, white hat hackers versus black hat hackers, categories of hacking, and hackers versus crackers. This is what we've learned so far. We had our introduction to cybersecurity and encryption, computing device, application, and network security, and penetration testing. So hacking is referred to as a way of looking to exploit any kind of vulnerabilities to gain access to an enterprise's computing system, personal computing system, or data, or both. It can be illegal or legal, depending on the intent of the hacker. It is performed by experts, and these experts are termed hackers. Hackers have the knowledge related to computer programming and its concepts. So black hat hackers, their objective is almost always criminal: to steal valuable information from another user or enterprise, to steal money or extort money through transactions and credit cards or bank accounts, to gain access to intellectual property such as music or videos. They download free hacking software, which is considered an illegal activity, to steal valuable military information or intelligence from governments and other organizations, and to access restricted networking spaces. White hat hackers look to discover these vulnerabilities in order to improve the system framework and secure it, developing high security programming languages like Linux and like Java, developing most of the security software for these organizations, checking and updating the software systems so we can understand what a black hat hacker can do and what is the risk of damage, developing programs like pop-up blockers, hardening a firewall, and ad blockers. Again, unethical hacking here, accessing computer, is criminal, whereas ethical hacking, again, is inspecting the enterprise for those vulnerabilities so they can be remediated. Types of black hat hackers: phreakers, hackers who hack into telephone networks; crackers, hackers who remove the security wall of software by using software patches; carders, hackers that attack ATM and credit card type of devices to retrieve user information; and script kiddies, hackers who want to attack a computer system for no specific purpose. Maybe it's just notoriety. Some other methods of hacking are, again, phishing, tricking users into giving up their access information, such as their ID and password; botnets, programs to run on an unknown and using exploiting a user's computer. The user doesn't know the botnets are running, and they can do things like send out emails on behalf of somebody else; and keyloggers, a way of capturing the keystrokes and recording them, and hackers can then obtain and steal user IDs, password, and other access information. Categories of hacking: Windows hacking, database hacking, web hacking, and network hacking. And hackers are usually very advanced in their levels of knowledge regarding computer security and possess all of the technical knowledge required. A few of them are skilled enough to develop their own software and tools. Crackers, less so. Crackers possess highly advanced and technical knowledge and can create software and tools that are powerful enough to damage and exploit systems after analyzing system weakness. Most of the time, crackers do not leave their mark behind, as they are very efficient at covering their tracks. Hackers are ethical professionals, whereas crackers hack into systems illegally without consent. Hackers can write code in many languages and possess a very, very thorough knowledge of computer languages like C, C++, HTML, Java. Crackers, not as much. They don't possess as much in the way of technical skills about computer programming. Their work and the intent behind it makes them poles apart from hackers. So what we've covered here are general perspective toward hacking and ethical hacking, white hat hacking versus black hat hacking, categories of hacking, and hackers versus crackers. In our follow-up session, we're going to discuss what is an ethical hacker, requirements to become an ethical hacker, roles and responsibilities of an ethical hacker, the skill set and job trends of ethical hacking, how much money can an ethical hacker make, ethical hacker job profiles, and companies hiring ethical hackers. Again, please look for information on Introduction to the Linux Operating System, blockchain cybersecurity, and Python programming. Thank you again for watching this video, and stay tuned for more videos.